Are you tired of seeing mess scattered all over your floor? Or how about those clumps of hair that always end up stuck on the carpet? And I'm sure that sometimes you even end up with mysterious stains in the nooks and crannies of your kitchen. We all know that struggle all too well. That's why when giving our homes a thorough clean, we only trust the top-rated robotic vacuum cleaner and mop, the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus. And fortunately for you, we're diving into the future of cleaning with an all-new YEEDI M12 Pro Plus robot vacuum and mop. Are you tired of constantly battling messes on your floors? From stubborn pet hair to mysterious stains, cleaning can feel like an endless chore. But fear not, because we've found the ultimate solution, the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus robot vacuum and mop. Join me as we dive into the future of home cleaning with the innovative YEEDI M12 Pro Plus. I'm Candace, and let me tell you, using this innovative powerhouse will revolutionize the way you clean. To fire up the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus, simply touch the bumper rail and the YEEDI's app Foot Touch feature will turn it on. It's as easy as that. So whether you're a tech-savvy guru or just love the convenience of a clean home, the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus has got you covered. With its intuitive mobile app, you can control it from anywhere, ensuring your space is pristine even when you're on the go. Featuring true edge technology, the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus reaches every corner of your home with its extended mop pad. The places your old mop or vacuum couldn't clean can now be spotless. And the mop's features don't stop there. Not only is the mop extendable, but it features intelligent 9mm technology auto lift. The mop automatically lifts 9mm to avoid wetting carpets and switches to vacuum mode when it detects fabrics. When looking at the design, you can see that the M12 has a V-shaped anti-static roller brush to prevent hair and fur from tangling. This zero tangle technology was specifically designed so that you don't get hair and fur in places where you don't want it. Speaking of places, how does the M12 know where to vacuum? The TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and TrueMapping 2.0 generates detailed maps in just 6 minutes. You no longer have to worry about your vacuum continuously bumping and spinning out of control. Moving on from its impressive cleaning features, let's talk about how powerful the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus actually is. This robot vacuum and mop has a whopping 11,000 PA suction power powered by the Osmo Turbo 2.0 motor. Compared to other vacuums with only as little as 6,000 PA, the M12 is extraordinarily better. And with a battery life of up to 200 minutes while weighing only 32 pounds, the M12 Pro Plus is efficient as it is compact. But perhaps the most impressive feature is that the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus comes with the mini all-in-one Omni Station. Currently, the Omni Station is the smallest automatic station on the market. Can you believe that something this small could hold a lot of tricks? With its self-cleaning and self-emptying capabilities, the maintenance is hassle-free. It comes equipped with a 158-degree hot water mop washing feature that enables it to clean, empty, wash, dry, and refill itself all in one go. So if you're ready to say goodbye to tedious cleaning chores and hello to a cleaner, smarter home, then the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus is the perfect choice for you. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and efficiency of this robot vacuum and mop, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for reviews on the latest and greatest tech products from TechTimes.com. Until next time, happy cleaning!